but I want to do an unboxing. This hair is from Cynosure hair. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And this is how it came packaged. Of course, we got the wig. We're gonna get into that in a second. They sent some eyelashes, a wig cap, and a scarf that you can use to tie your hair down after you lay your wig. This is a 13 by 4 18-inch. But hold up, we gotta get into the star of the show. It is a chestnut brown. Get into it. And let's check out this hairline. Pre-plucked. Anywho, so as you guys can see, I got the first step laid down, and this is an application that I would use if I want to keep my wig on for a day or two or take it off that night. And it's just basically going to be this Even Wonder Lace Bond. I'll have everything linked down below on my Amazon storefront. And then the Even Wonder Lace Bond is what I'm going to use to like help everything melt. I'm gonna let this sit on my face for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna go finish my makeup because it looks a mess. And I'll be back to show you how it's looking. So it's time to get ready to wrap this video up. As you guys watch me add a little bit of layers to this unit. In the beginning of this video, you've seen that I actually curled this hair and it holds a curl, okay? So let's run it back. This is a number 4 dark brown straight human hair lace frontal unit. And it's from Cynosure Hair. I'll be sure to link all their information down below. You definitely want to check them out because for this unit, I have it in 18 inches and the price was under $200. Yes, under $200. Right now you can pick up this unit for around $180. This is a quality unit and you can do different styles with this unit. I did wear this wig a total of 4 times. I installed it 2 different times. Each time I wore it 2 days in a row. And this is how it looked in the second install. And this is when I really fell in love with it. It was given in the middle part, but y'all know how I feel about a side part. Definitely has an amazing texture. I didn't get hardly any shedding. The only con I could really say about this unit is it does have a chemical smell. To combat that chemical smell, I'm going to soak it in fabric softener and that should knock it right out. And I'm just showing you guys some angles. I didn't have to layer it again. The layers still look perfect from when I had layered it in the middle part. So when I changed it to a side part, the layers just flowed. Now I'm showing you guys a quick half up, half down style. I didn't put too much effort into it. I was just showing you guys how versatile this unit is. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, comment, and share. Shout out to Cynosure Hair for sending me this unit, and If you aren't subscribed, go ahead. I would love to have you become a cousin. Thank you guys for watching.